Hi everyone, it's Carol here from thestampingground.co.uk, and today we're going to make this lovely treat box, triangular in shape, and it will fit, put little gifts in for children's parties or christenings. I'm sure you'll think of lots of ideas. Nice at Christmas time as well. So I'll just pop this to one side and I shall get on. It's nice, quick and easy to do. And we need a piece of designer series paper. This is the hand-penned one, which measures 5.5 by 8.25, which is 14 by 21 centimetres. And 2 pieces of cardstock, 1 inch by 2 3/4, which is 2.5 by 17 centimetres. And we need just a small piece of scrap paper for the sentiment. On the back, on one of the long sides, we're going to put some tear and tape, and on one of the short sides. So we're going to take the top off the short side one, and we're going to fold it over and just about 1/4 inch, just line that up, and the same on that side. Oops. There we are. Just going to go in with a ruler just to give it a little press. And then on the long side, we want to take the top off the tear and tape here. Oops. There we are. And with your seam in the centre, as much in the centre as you can, just press together. And then, oops, on this side, if you wanted to pop your treat in now or gift, you could do, and you could have put tear and tape on there, and then you could have closed it like that. However, if you do it this way, you can open it and reuse this again. So I'm just going to punch a hole either side, and then take some ribbon, and this is the pale papaya ribbon, and thread it through. And then tie a nice bow. There we are, and then I'll just pop that to one side. We're going to use, this is called the Delightful Tag Topper Punch, and it cuts out 3 different sizes of punches, tags, sorry, and we're going to use the smallest, so we're just going to pop in and press and pop that one in. Oops. press. And I did say we needed a piece of white cardstock for the inscription. Well, I'm actually going to stamp it directly on here, so I'm just going to put the inscription just says thank you, and I'm going to use black Memento ink. And then I'm just going to pop a glue dot just to keep those two together. Just pop on that. Oops. And then another glue dot on the back. I'll pop two on. And then I've made a tiny little bow out of baker's twine, and I'm just going to pop that on with another glue dot. Oops, doesn't want to leave. There we are. So you can make your gift tag as decorative or quite simple, whichever you like. So again, I hope you give this a go, and everything that I've used will be listed on my blog along with the measurements. So if you want to pop over and take a look, and I hope you enjoy making it. And until the next time, I shall see you soon.